Merry Christmas! We got silver tabby and whites for Christmas, didn't we? You did such a good job, Cinder-Ella. Your babies are so beautiful. There we go. Merry Christmas, Mom! I gave you what you wanted for Christmas. I don't know what this one is. Maybe it's a smoke. Or a blue silver. I don't know. Got a nice tail. You're such a good mom. Yes, you are. And this little silver pattern Mickey's adorable. Yes, she is. Yes, she is. Bet she was a silver, and maybe she's a smoke Mickey. She's not a regular Mickey. But I don't know whether it's smoke or silver. I think it's smoke because there's no tabby lines on her head. You're such a good mom. You are. You're a good mom. Yes, you are. You're a good mom. Taking such good care of your babies. Yes, you are. Look at those babies. They're so happy. They're so spunky.